What if Mang Inasal became your daily diet? Unlimited rice every single day?
Day 1. Life is perfect. Chicken oil on rice, extra happiness. Day 3. You now say extra rice automatically. Your body already storing those carbs. Week 2. Food coma becomes your personality. High calories, low energy after meals.
All that chicken oil every day? Your heart is now begging for vegetables.
After 1 month, possible weight gain, higher cholesterol, and too much sodium. But protein from chicken helps muscles, if you balance it with veggies and less rice. So yes, you can eat Mang Inasal every day, but your body will say, only rice, only regret. Be honest, ilang rice ka sa Mang Inasal? Follow for more, what if you eat this everyday episodes?
Kung ginawa mo to, automatic, you grew up sa Philippines.
Electric fan ang aircon, number 3 para malamig.
Kailangan mong umuwi bago mag 5 p.m. May palabas ka pa! Pagbukas mo ng ref, isda laman. Napalo ka na ng tsinelas long distance! Akala mo cookies sewing kit pala?
Here you go.
Isang baso buong barangay. Salamat.
Anak, may bisita! Kanta ka na.
Pag nakarelate ka, certified batang Pinoy ka. Ilan dito ginawa mo? Comment mo! Akala mo mayaman ka hanggang dumating ang petsa de peligro. Day 1, after sahod deserve ko to?
Day 5, check out Pomor.
Day 10, medyo delikado na. Petsa de peligro mode.
From tarakain sa labas to may tira pa ba, eating at home hits different.
Lucky Me plus Itlog Fine Dining. Libre mo muna, sa sahod na lang.
Tag mo yung laging nawawala pag petsa de peligro.
POV, may sahod ka na pero isa lang pwede mong piliin.
Amoy pa lang ng Chicken Joy, panalo ka na. Pero yung fries ng McDo, ibang level din eh.
Dating kaya ko to ah. Anong nangyari? Ba't ang mahal?
Wait, dito na lang. Ay hindi, dito ka pala, dito pala.
Plot twist, Sunday na lang afford mo.
Wait, Jollibee ba o McDo?